Today I'm gonna make the easiest gluten-free grilled cheese sandwich ever. My wife is celiac, so I make this for her all the time. All you need is some gluten-free bread. You have your cheese, slices, put it onto the bread. Now take your other slice of bread and just slap it on top. So what I suggest is just take a little bit of butter and just throw it right away on the pan. Put your grilled cheese on the pan. You can move it around a little bit to get all of that beautiful butter. I like to take more butter and I cover my grilled cheese just like that. For a perfect grilled cheese sandwich is low and slow. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now let's flip this grilled cheese. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. Just cover it over. All right, let's check on the grilled cheese. Let's take that out. There you have it, a simple grilled cheese sandwich. It's gluten-free, only 3 ingredients, easy to make. Let's have a bite. If you have good quality bread and cheese, that's all you need. You don't need ketchup. If you enjoyed this simple recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.